Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Walmart gift card on website, fast method step by step clearly. To activate your Walmart gift card on the website, start by visiting the official Walmart website. Once you're on the home page, scroll down to find the gift cards section. Click on the gift cards link to navigate to the relevant page. Next, look for the option that says activate a gift card. Click on that link to proceed. You will now see a field where you can enter your gift card number. Locate the gift card number on the back of your card. Carefully type this number into the provided field. Next, you will need to enter the PIN associated with your gift card. You can find the PIN beneath the scratch-off area on the back of the card. After entering both the card number and PIN, double-check for any mistakes. Once verified, click on the Activate button. The website will process your request, which usually takes just a few moments. You should then see a confirmation that your Walmart gift card is activated. If you face any issues, ensure that you have entered the information correctly. That's it. Your Walmart gift card is now ready for use online or in-store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.